Yes, the pool project is ongoing. This is the outer. I told you it's a block pool where we plastered the outer. So the rod have been mended into it. This is the baby pool and then the adult pool. So all is ongoing at the same time. You are now to cast the floor concrete. The features have been set in. The floor drain, the inlets are all set in. The baby pool will flow into the adult pool. So that's it. We have channel through there where it will flow into the adult pool. So there is it. Yeah. That's where we are now. In people's town, we've come here. We are done. We have to cast the base. But the machine is not here yet. Came here too. It was raining, but we managed to do what we deserve to do. So we are on it, managing little by little. Yeah. Today we are when the opportunity to cast the floor. You can see the concrete being pushed. Yes. Everything is ongoing. Okay. Only the rain worried us, so we couldn't hit our targets. We are on the floor casting. We are almost done with the floor casting. Like with the preparation or compacting it to have a level. So this is what we are doing. You conceal the walls. The lacing bars may be added to it, then it continues. Let me give you a little vibe about pools. Sometimes you can have your pool walls, everything very solid, no leakage with the walls or anything. As you can see at the back, when excavate, you must have a working space around it. Even this filling can cause you leakage. One may ask why. Is it that then a filling, only filling can give leakages? Yeah. But to explain further, you're going to lay all the pipes through this space to the machine rooms. And when you fill and it doesn't settle well and you lay pipes on it, when it is settling, it can break the pipes. So by breaking the pipes linking to the machine room, it causes leakages. So this is a little vibe you must notice about it. If not anybody that does, yeah, those are those with water. So cautiously do it. If not, you will have a pool but cannot enjoy it. Thank you. Yeah. So we are facing the skimmers for the swimming pool. As I've already told you, is a block wall swimming pool. So we'll be putting the concrete at the middle of it. Facing the features here. Oh, not in Accra. You can see it's a hotel, the Bisefie Hotel. That's where we are now. You are once welcome to the pool project. As I told you, it's a block pool, but you can see concrete and iron rod within the middle there. Yes, water have stuck in, but you can still it's standing, not penetrating through. As already updated you, it's a hotel. It's raining here. We have a pumping machine pulling the water out. We are now taking the wood outside and see what happens. Yeah, on the swimming pool project, we've been here. It has been raining. We just draw water out of the pool, and then the backfill is ongoing. We have to level the place very well. When doing a swimming pool, there's one trick: you don't have to lay your pipe before filling. When you lay them, you will end up damaging everything. Oh, that's it. Yes, we're on it, little by little. There is a structure around it, so we have to level the place and then make a profiling for the structure. So we are on it.
Fancy project. This is the Fancy project we started earlier on at the Bisefie Hotel. This swimming pool comprises of adults and children. 10 feet for the children, 46 feet and above for the adult. It has these facilities around it. It has a conference hall, pool, bar and restaurants, a reception, sports gym, kitchen, laundry, changing room for male and female, including the machine room. These are the facilities around, and it is designed for the physical challenge, also to access the facility. So if you happen to find yourself in Eastern region or down Ayrebi or Fancy area, you can call on the Bisefie Hotel and you can enjoy this facility. Thank you.
Later when we finish.
Later when you finish.
For
Yes,
now.
for now you can come and have an exhibition.
Yeah.
So as you can see, the boys, our men are on the foot in the excavation for the structure works. Thank you. We'll update you as we progress. Have a nice day.
On the pool side. We have the pool, bar, conference center, a gym around it. So excavation have started for the foundations. So that's where we are now. You can see, as I told you, it's a hotel. So many things we have to do. So we on it. Little by little we get there. Thank you. Yes, on the swimming pool site. This season is very difficult working for some areas like this because at the end of the day you could see the slope down, raining at the same time. And you know it's a season of rains here. So the levels we done, you could see working, then everything become muddy. Nothing you can do, only to manage and so you see your way through. And that's what we are managing now. So traveling from Accra here, then your days are delayed by rains. What will you do? They also need it, so you have to see what to do and get all to be done. Yes, we set a conference around it, and then a pool bar, a restaurants around it, and gym, so many around the pool. So we've done a setting out here. Using a way maybe you didn't spend so much wood around it. So that's it. The setting out is done. We've drawn all the lines. We're going to go by it. So thank you.